You've received an artificial hip implant and you're experiencing some problems, whether it's swelling, some pain, perhaps a dislocation, perhaps a fracture. My name's Dan Burke and I'm a lawyer at Parker Waichman in New York, and I deal with our orthopedic implant cases and I deal with questions concerning artificial hips on a daily basis. A recent study came out of the Netherlands examining the existence of something called pseudo tumor in hip implant patients. And what a pseudo tumor is essentially the word broken down: pseudo, false, tumor, tumor. Something that presents on an x-ray as looking like a tumor, but it's actually an area of inflammation that's caused by a defect in the hip. Now, what these pseudo tumors can cause is things such as swelling, inflammation, fracture, dislocation, and ultimately the need for revision surgery. These pseudotumors are a particular problem in what's known as metal-on-metal implants. What a metal-on-metal implant is essentially a metal ball that's placed on the end of a stem that's drilled into the femur or the long bone of the body. And the metal cup, either entirely made of metal or that contains a metal liner, that's placed into the pelvis. And when the metal ball and the metal cup articulate together, they rub together, and they can release chromium and cobalt or other metal ions into the body and cause problems. The study from the Netherlands determined that after an average of 3.5 years of follow-up time, approximately 40% of patients who receive these metal-on-metal implants experienced pseudotumors and problems in their body. And approximately 12% of the patients who were part of the study ultimately needed to undergo revision surgery to replace their hip implant. So if you've received a metal-on-metal hip implant or any type of hip implant and are experiencing problems, give us a call. We can answer any questions you have, and we're happy to help you out. Again, my name is Dan Burke. I'm a lawyer at Parker Waichman in New York. Thanks so much for your time.